Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Elasticsearch nodes from a VPS cluster, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting to your VPS using SSH. Use your preferred terminal or SSH client for this task. Log in with your username and password or SSH key. Once logged in, confirm that you have the necessary permissions to uninstall Elasticsearch. Next, identify the Elasticsearch nodes running on your cluster. You can check this by running the command curl-x get localhost 9200/_cluster/health, pretty. This will return the cluster's health status along with details about the nodes. Once you have identified the nodes, choose which one you want to uninstall. Next, you will need to stop the Elasticsearch service on that node. Run the command sudo system stop Elasticsearch. After stopping the service, verify that it is no longer running. You can do this by executing the command sudo system status Elasticsearch. If the service has stopped successfully, proceed to uninstall Elasticsearch. Use the command sudo apt-get remove Elasticsearch to remove the software. For additional cleanup, you may also want to remove configuration files. This can be done using the command sudo apt-get purge Elasticsearch. After removing Elasticsearch, clean up any dependencies that are no longer needed. Execute the command sudo apt-get auto-remove to handle this. Next, check for any remaining Elasticsearch directories. Look in /etc/Elasticsearch, /usr/share/Elasticsearch, and /var/lib/Elasticsearch. If you find any, remove them manually using the rmr command. Make sure you're cautious while using this command to avoid deleting important files. Once you've removed all related files, verify that the node has been completely uninstalled. You can do this by checking the status of your cluster again. Run the command curl-x get localhost 9200/_cluster/nodes, pretty to see the active nodes. Confirm that the uninstalled node no longer appears in the list. Finally, log out of your VPS to complete the process. This concludes the uninstallation of an Elasticsearch node from your VPS cluster. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.